Good morning, guys. We are back in another video. We got the booger car over here, the Patchy car, and we're gonna go on a morning cruise. We're a little late right now, and we got Alex vlogging too. It's honestly super early right now. We made it to the pre-meet, guys. We got all the BMWs, an M4 here, a few other cars, little small pre-meet. We're gonna go to the actual meet spot right here. We're at a gas station, got some snacks and stuff, but we're ready. We're ready to start cruising. I'll take you guys along. It's a stock M4 with the driver gray. Honestly, I would get an M3 over an M4. We're out of here. We're out of here.
Well, with all the Beamers.
Beamer. Like, if you guys can see the rear end, like the back view I have of all the BMW headlights, it's crazy right now. Alright, typical BMW drivers, guys. Left turn signal, we're turning right. Yo, Ryan beat up!
Have a drink, clink, found a Bud Light. Bad bitches like me, it's hard to come by. The Patron, let's go get it down. The sound, yes, I'm in the zone. Is it 2, 3? Let's flow, flow. I love to dance, so give me more shit. Woman to flow.
We made it to the meetup spot, guys. We got a lot of BMWs coming in. A few BMWs parked up over there. You guys can't see, but we're gonna show you guys all the BMWs that come through. Are you excited, Alex? She looks half asleep.
No.
But we got our coffee in. This guy's trying to park. He almost hit me.
No, we didn't.
No, he did it.
So dramatic.
So here are all the cars. The booger car is glowing. And
it lasted
look at his hood.
17 minutes.
It's beautiful. The carbon exposed. It's paint, yeah, compared to the wrap. Let me show you guys this one. So the same carbon exposed, but the car looks good. We got all the cars over there. So this car is clean. I love the silver on silver look on it with the lip. We're gonna see under
carbon fiber, so all the carbon fiber in there I did.
Nice.
It's not finished, so some of it kind of looks like that.
Oh,
That's fire though. Yeah,
it's nice.
I did all this.
Look at Ryan going deep inside there. It's like a pair of scissors.
Glasses came off and everything.
He's not messing around, dude. He knows. He knows what he got. Is this a pair of scissors?
I mean, you look at it, you can't tell shit. It looks like stock.
This with the yellow headlights. He has an M3. Oh, it is M3. It's nice. Look at this M3. The orange and red interior. The black and red. That is nice. That's so nice. Oh my gosh. It's crazy. Look at this M4. This thing is crazy with the HRE wheels and the wing. Honestly, I love the way he built it. It's so clean. The hood and everything. Definitely one of the...
Oh, you got a mic for it?
Yeah.
That's sick.
Say for the people.
I'm horny.
What do you feel about this M4 right now? What's your favorite thing about it?
Everything. It's hot. I wish it did have 2 more doors.
That's what I'm saying. M3 over M4, but it's not as hot as you.
Leave in the comments below M3, F80 or F82. If you say F82, you're weird.
Yeah,
Just don't even comment
unfollow. Just kidding.
Unfollow? No.
Nah,
no,
dude.
no.
What do you say? M3 or M4? It's zooming closer. Another silver on silver 330 E46. I love the steering wheel on it. The rear end, crazy with that exhaust. It honestly sounds very nice. It's my favorite car at the car meet, the M3 CS. One of my dream cars right here. Compared to the M4s. But an M850, damn, rolling in deep right now. Damn. It's a nice M8. Look at this color. Holy. So everyone's slowly coming in. This is like heaven. I feel like I'm in heaven right now with all these BMWs. And we're gonna get the crew started pretty soon. Just waiting. E46, silver on silver. There's something about silver I like.
Honestly, I feel like on a BMW silver.
So we all know her favorite car, which is the E46, which so far, say it's the booger car. I'm just, yeah. Look at the
My
M3.
favorite's the booger car.
Look at all these white BMWs. Getting your content in. What's up, vlog? We're doing a dual vlog right now. Look at these lineups, dude. The yin and the yang. The lime green. 328. This is a 320 actually. Look at this M4, guys. So clean. I love the lip on it. Alright, we're all rolling out, guys. It's about to be crazy right now. Woo! M4. Gabe, I'll see you on the road, brother. I'm stoked. Co-pilot, check. We are ready for a good day. You guys, we have spotted an E30. No! Oh my god, oh my god! RX-7s right now. On PCH. Out here in a BMW Cruise, she's freaking out about the RX-7s. I'm like,
What is? What is? What the?
look at that. That's crazy. We just interrupted an RX-7 meet. I'm sandwiched between two RX-7s right now. I don't know if you guys can see. I'm literally sandwiched. This is crazy. RX-7s. The BMW, bro. We just pulled over. This is dangerous on PCH. What the? Yo! This is where the action is right now. Is someone cooking popcorn or something? Like, look at this view right now. I'm in heaven with all these BMWs. Right now, Alex.
That's how I feel.
Dude,
right
it's
now.
gunshots, literally. This view is so beautiful right now. We're in a line of straight BMWs. What more can you ask for? Like, look how hot this is. Cars behind us. Oh my god! I love every second of this right now. There's just an M3 E46 chilling right there. This car is I love the ocean. Oh my gosh. It's so nice. at Alex hitting the angles right now.
Oh,
PLV action for you guys. We're just cruising, long line of cars. I'm gonna show you guys all the cars. There's still cars coming, and we left so many other people behind, but I'm gonna go one by one and show you guys all the cars. Yo, this car sounds really nice. We don't discriminate the SUVs. Look at this engine bay, dude, with the carbon. The engine bay on this looks crazy too. We got Alex getting her content in. Look at the view. I absolutely love the beach. Like, we're literally by the sand. BMWs. What more can you ask for? BMW down, RIP. Maybe a good Samaritan help. They got a drone over there.
Like Maui, bro. Look at Maui right here.
A whole drone. Alex's big head clogging the screen again in every video, guys. What do you have to say to the people?
They just came out with this new one. It's called the.
What do you have to say to the people? No. What do you have to say to the people?